Hey everyone, how are you today? I am actually excited. I got a new deck. Haven't bought a new deck in a while. It's an Oracle deck. Was going to go with Tarot, but I don't know. I want something different. And it's from Robin's Nest in Bellingham. And you get to watch me open it. Isn't that exciting? And it's called the Halloween Oracle, lifting the veil between the worlds every night. And it's by Stacey Demarco. See? And you guys get to watch me open it. Woo! I'm like so excited. I haven't bought a deck in so long. So, let's get going. Oh, the suspense is killing me. Oh. And the box is really good. It's like really hard. So, I'm going to put that over there. Open it. This is what it looks like. And here's the guidebook. And it's, let's see how many pages. 80 pages long. And it just tells you about the cards and everything. Which is really exciting. God, I don't know why I waited so long. I think it's like 2 years the last time I bought a deck. Okay, let's take this thing off. If I can get it off, it'd be great. These guys get to watch me struggle with it. Haha. Yeah, I'm in a weird mood today. Just a little bit. And this is what the backs look like. And it's pretty good cardstock too. So yeah. Can't wait to see. And the bottom of the box just looks like this. Unleash your inner monster and trick-or-treat your way into a connection with the most magical and scary night of the year. Halloween. Oh, I can't wait for Halloween now. Oh, Halloween's just my favorite. Okay, let's get going. I'll show you the cards. Show you the suspense is killing you too. All right, zombie, which means control. And there's 36 cards in here. The witch. Look at that one, that one's pretty. And they have a little sayings on the bottom too for you. Winter. Werewolf. How cool is that? I mean, God. The veil. I like that one. That one's really pretty. Vampire. Gotta love vampires. I know I do. The underworld. Oh, I can't wait to play with these. My God. Trick or treat. Spider. Skull of Stars. Skull of Light. Skull of Flowers. It's really pretty. Skull of Darkness. Skeleton. Yeah, it's definitely a skeleton. Scrying. I like that. That's a pretty card. I'm actually happy with what I bought today. Owl. And I definitely need something different. Night Song. Mummy. Mummy, where are you? Midnight. It's also a pretty card. The Lamp. Lady Just Lost Meritos. I think I botched that one. Ah, they're sticking together. Joy. Jack-o'-lantern. Now, if this doesn't put you in the spirit of Halloween, I have no clue what will. Invisibility. Huh? Graveyard. Spooky, spooky. Ghost. They got some nice cards in here, God. Forgiveness. Internal love. Death. Dawn. Cauldron. Black cat. I used to have a black cat a long time ago. Long time ago. Barn break. Apple. And last card, ancestors. Okay, I'm going to give them a little shuffle and pick a card out. How's that? They're kind of big. Bigger than my hands. Let's see if I can shuffle them. Let's see. Let's try to shuffle it this way. Yes, I'm having difficulty shuffling. You can sit there and laugh at me. Let's see. There. I guess you gotta learn to get the hang of it. And let's pull a card and see what we get today. We got Skull of Flowers. Let's read that one. Go look at it in the book. Let's see. Skull of Flowers. All right. To blossom and bloom, the work must be done. Through fire and ashes, our fortune it comes. Yeah, they got a little rhyme over there. That's cool. Before flowers are born, they are sweet buds on a plant that came from a smaller form like a seed or a bulb. The seed needs prepared, nourishing soil to grow to its potential. Some plants and trees only seed after fire or a period of extreme adversity like drought or flood. Sometimes we wish for a life different from the one we have, and that can mean radical change. Sometimes to have that new life, everything falls apart to make it so, and that can be uncomfortable. We may lose our relationships or they may change. We might lose a job, have to move house, or become ill, or be big events that lead to a reassessment of the how of our lives. The Skull of Flowers illustrates that there is a sureness and yet a rawness to creating again, to starting afresh. Sometimes the universe gives us a blank slate to work from, so we can build what we really want, rather than just settling for less. The Skull of Flowers celebrates not just a kind of phoenix energy, but energy of success and full bloom through adversity. Oh, that's so cool. This reminds me of the tower from the tarot deck. I don't know. But I really hope you enjoyed my unboxing today. It's the first time I ever did a video like this. Well, it's the first time I actually bought myself cards in a while. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, feel free to question below. And thank you for watching my video. And what can I say? I'm in a good mood today. I hope you guys have a nice day today. Keep smiling and enjoy your weekend. It's kind of rainy over here, but you know what? What can we do? And please give this a thumbs up. And please subscribe. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.